Hi, I'm Michael.
And hi, I'm Dale.
Welcome to
Spotted Motors. Michael.
Well, here we are.
Back with the Reliant Robin, and we should be working on the Cortina that's behind us.
We'll neglect him. The Cortina for the Reliant. Because the Reliant gets more followers. No.
Well, people seem to absolutely love this thing, and
the response we've had about this thing.
And the amount of people that have walked past and walked over today and chatted to about this car.
I've had more people down again today, haven't we?
Yeah.
You know.
So we've decided to go full hog with the car, and we've started with the bodywork.
Give it a freshen up.
Yeah.
We were unsure what to do, weren't we?
Yeah.
We had a bit of fun in it on the field, and kids had a bit of fun in it. We were umming around with it and do something with a diff. And we thought, let's breathe a bit of life back in.
Yeah, because it's rare and it's different. We thought, do you know what? Let's put our hand at our sort of first Spotted Motors restoration, and we thought, let's give it a go and let's
just
give it
fresh it up.
Yeah.
Give the bodywork a lick of paint, tidy the bed up, tidy the interior up, put it through an MOT, and
then move it on.
If one of us don't keep it.
I'm going to grab the camera. I'm going to get Michael to tell you and show you some of the repairs that we've done to it as well.
Yeah.
So Michael, first things first.
Dale, you put the grill on.
Yeah.
The new grill.
I'll tell you what.
Which we're going to tidy up, and that'll go black on it with a bumper.
Yeah.
Bodywork wise, there was loads of little bits on it, wasn't there?
Yeah, loads of sort of like big cracks.
Nasty holes. So we've rubbed it down, roughly rubbed it down. Done some fiberglass work. First sort of filling stages of it really.
Yeah.
We'll rub that back and then go over that with filler. Same along the back. It was all cracked, wasn't it, down here? So
we've put
some
really.
fiberglass matting in there, so that won't crack again now. So
really gouged into it, haven't we? And got it back.
Took that back. Really put some fiberglass matting in there. The tailgate was missing.
Yeah.
It snapped off its hinges, hadn't we? So we decided to fix it permanent now. So that'll be a fixed tailgate. We'll smooth all that in. We've got new backlights to go in.
Yep.
LED lights, which will go in once we've painted it. We're going to tidy the bed up, aren't we? Just black it all.
Yeah, we're going to black it all and we're going to do something on the top.
Yeah, put a bit of trim around the edge here.
Yeah. Interior
wise,
big changes.
We might upset people here.
I know.
Look at that.
We've lost the fur.
The fur.
We just think because we're going to go so far with it, clean the outside of it, we're going to go on the inside as well. Yeah. As much as we didn't want to get rid of
make it as nice as what we can on a budget. I mean, we're on a budget. But
a lot of the jobs on it, it's a real simple car, so we can sort of.
It's so small, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's, it hasn't took us long to whip round it. There was cracks on the roof, wasn't there, where it's been vandalised before.
Yeah, unfortunately it has been rolled over in the past, and that's why the previous owner got a bit fed up. The
mirrors were missing, but holes are still there. We'll fill them in because we've got our own chrome mirrors to go on it. So
we're not a million mile away. I know it looks like it is, but we're not a million mile away. So
we've got to make them look worse before
they look better. Because this morning, as we were ripping into it, I was getting a bit, hang on, Michael, how far are we taking this? We have a quick update on the Reliant Rialto.
Is it a Rialto?
It's a Rialto. We've been pulled because we've been calling it a Robin, but it is a Robin.
It's a three-wheeler.
It's a three-wheeler. So there we are, a quick update on the three-wheeler.
Yeah.
Like I say, a bit of fun for us. We've got project cars, but this is a sort of bit of fun.
Yeah.
We're going to see what we can do with it. And,
we've done it before, haven't we? We've done it before on our own and bits and bobs. So
just a quick update for everyone and a quick video from me and Michael to sort of put out there as well.
Yeah, that's it.
So as always, that just leaves us to say,
thanks very much for watching.
We've been Spotted Motors.